Hello guys, today we're gonna learn what I learned on AP. Mga pagbabago sa kalinagang Filipino. Changes in Filipino culture happens over time because of influences like modern technology, education, and contact with other cultures. These changes affect traditions, clothing, food, language, and how people live their daily lives. While some traditions are preserved, others are adapted to fit modern ways of living. Next, we're going on mga pagbabago sa lipunang Pilipino. Changes in Filipino society happens because of things like technology, education, and globalization. These affect these affect how people work, communicate, and live together. New ideas and inventions improve lives, but they also change traditions and customs over time. Next one. Now we're gonna learn mga pagbabagong pampolitika sa Pilipinas. Political changes in the Philippines happens because of new leaders, laws, and government systems. These changes aim to improve the country by addressing problems like poverty, education, and health. Over time, some rules and policies are updated to fit the needs of the. Next, we're gonna learn tagumpay ng mga Muslims sa Mindanao. The Muslims in Mindanao have achieved success in preserving their culture, traditions, and religion. Despite the challenges, they also gained recognition for their rights through the creation of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region, which helps them govern their own area and work towards peace and development. Next one. Next, we're gonna learn tagumpay sa Cordillera. The people of the Cordillera succeeded in preserving their traditions and protecting their land. They also gained autonomy through the Cordillera's administrative region, which allows them to manage their resources and culture while working towards progress and unity. Well, that's all. Goodbye.